Hey guys, in today's video, I'll show you how to enable screensaver on your Android phone step by step. So let's get started. First, open the settings on your mobile device. Now scroll down and look for the display option, then tap on it to open inside the display settings. Scroll down again until you find the screensaver option. Once you tap on it, you will see different screensaver styles available on your phone. Usually there are two main options, clock and photos. You can choose the one you like the most. After selecting your preferred option, you will see a toggle or enable button. Turn it on to activate the screensaver. Now your screensaver is enabled. You can also customize it further by opening the settings inside the screensaver menu. For example, you can enable night mode for a darker look or adjust when the screensaver should start. Now go back here, you can see more settings, tap on it in these settings. You will find options like while charging or while docked. Choose the option that suits your usage. And that's it. Your Android screensaver is now fully set up and ready to use. A screensaver is a feature on your Android phone that automatically shows moving visuals like a clock or photos when your phone is idle or charging, helping prevent screen burn-in and making your display look more active and stylish when not in use. Stay tuned for more simple and easy to follow guides just like this one. I'll be bringing more tips and tricks to help you learn faster and work smarter every day.